Joe, hey Baz, I haven't seen any of your videos for 3 days. What happened, mate? Joe, I'm a bit occupied. How about we see what's bothering you today? I've been staring at this Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, diagram, and honestly, it looks like an alien spaceship manual. It's still a bit fuzzy. Can you walk me through it like I'm 5? Absolutely, Joe. Think of it this way, imagine you have a super smart brain in a computer, a large language model, LLM. It can write stories, answer questions, even code, but it only knows what it was trained on. Sometimes, that's not enough, right? Joe, right. Like, if I ask it about today's news, it might not know. Exactly. So, RAG gives it the power to go out and find the missing pieces. It's like sending that brain on a research mission. It digs through documents, databases, the entire internet, basically, anything it can get its digital hands on. Joe, so, it's like giving the AI a live, updated encyclopedia to use? You got it. It finds the precise, relevant information and uses that to craft a really accurate and informative answer for you. Joe, whoa. That's like giving it a superpower. So, how does this superpower work in this diagram? Let's break it down. See at the very top, LLM user interface? That's where you, the user, start the whole process. Joe, okay, so that's where I type my question or ask for a picture of a cat wearing a tiny hat? Precisely. You enter your prompt plus query, which is just fancy talk for what you're asking the AI. You're essentially telling it, hey, I need some information, Joe, and then it goes to the server? What's that? Think of the server as the traffic controller. It takes your request and sends it to the right place. It's the middleman, making sure everything runs smoothly. Joe, alright, so the server sends my question to the search thing? Yep, that's the retrieval part. The search component is like a superpowered librarian. It dives into those knowledge sources we talked about. Joe, like those little icons at the bottom? PDFs, databases, the whole web. Exactly. It's accessing all those external repositories, pulling in the most relevant data. Joe, so, it's not just making stuff up anymore? It's actually looking at real information? Absolutely. It's finding relevant information for enhanced context, as the diagram says. This is the key to getting a good, accurate answer. Joe, and then, what happens with this enhanced context? That's the cool part. It's combined with your original question, creating prompt plus query plus enhanced context. It's like giving the AI a detailed background briefing before it answers. Joe, and that goes to the LLM, like GPT or Gemini. You got it. Those large language models use this enriched information to generate a generated text response. It's like they're writing a report after doing a ton of research. Joe, so, it's like the AI gets a superpowered cheat sheet, and then writes an essay based on it? Exactly. This makes the AI's responses much more accurate, relevant, and reliable. Joe, okay, I'm starting to get it. RAG makes the AI way smarter by letting it access real-world information. Exactly. RAG dramatically improves the LLM's capabilities, making it more accurate and reliable, and providing a much better user experience. Joe, so, it's all about giving the AI access to a massive, ever-updating knowledge base? That's it. It allows the AI to stay current, provide contextually relevant answers, and basically unlocks a whole new level of AI potential. It's a game changer. Joe, wow, this diagram makes a lot more sense now. Thanks for breaking it down for me.